Hello, and welcome to the Cryptocurrency News Channel. Before we talk about this topic, I want you guys to know that I'm streaming on my alternate channel called Good Free Photos. The link is in the description and pinned in the first comments. I'm also having a new channel called Crypto Daily Updates. That's just one video per day to get all the great crypto news for the day. If you want to join me for that, check it out. They'll both be in the description and pinned as the first comment in the comments. So now let's talk about how rich is Vitalik Buterin. Yes, some of you think he's an alien. I'm not really sure if that's true or not. I will not confirm or deny that. So Buterin's cryptocurrency holdings represent the largest chunk of his wealth. We all know that. Worth 82 million at today's prices. So Buterin is worth at least $82 million. Buterin also has substantial cash holdings, estimated at nearly $12 million, as well as a salary somewhere between $140,000 and $250,000. Finally, he owns equity in two multi-million-dollar startups, Clearmatics and Starkware. The precise value of these is unknown. So he's obviously one of the most influential people in crypto. He always dumps on his own cryptocurrency, which I don't actually understand. You don't have to be Justin Sun and lie and shill the shit out of it, but you could be sort of positive about it, you know. Vitalik Buterin is one of the most influential people in crypto. He has amassed substantial wealth thanks to his role in creating Ethereum, which is the second biggest cryptocurrency, as all of us know. Buterin wasn't rich prior to creating Ethereum. His first major windfall was 2014. He was 20 years old then, and he received $100,000 through a Thiel Fellowship. From there, his wealth only grew. The crowd sale for Ethereum began in July of 2014 and raised Bitcoin worth at that time worth $18.3 million. From there, he was able to secure a six-figure salary when he was 20 years old from the Ethereum Foundation, the nonprofit born out of the raise. However, his main source of wealth is the hundreds of thousands of Ethereum tokens he was able to hold onto from the cryptocurrency's pre-mine. This gave the foundation and its founders a little under 12 million ETH, which now represents about 11% of the circulating supply. Though Buterin hasn't publicly revealed his financial position, his wallet addresses and public statements are enough to get a decent estimate. So right now, looking at his primary wallet address, Buterin, and this is public knowledge by the way, Buterin owns about 352,000 Ethereum at a current value of $46 million. So he has 352,000 Ethereum. Between his three main wallets, he also holds ERC20 tokens worth over 900,000. The ERC20 tokens include Yuger, Maker, Kyber Network, and OMG, Amisco. However, he also said in February last year that he held Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Zcash, Dogecoin, worth over 10% of the value of his Ethereum. So he's somewhat diversified, although Ethereum is the massive elephant in the room. Crypto Briefing calculated his Ethereum holdings on the day of the statement, about $80-something million. Though he did not specify the price investment in each of these coins, we gave each coin an equal allocation of 15% of the value of his ETH, adjusted by his historical prices. Adjusting his Ethereum holdings back to February 2019 levels, his holdings would amount roughly to 2,000 Bitcoin, 58,000 BCH, 140,000 ZEC, and 3.6 million Doge. Assuming he held everything, these coins would make up 37% of his portfolio at current prices, or about $35 million. So you can see he's about almost half ETH. He has a little bit in USD, some BTC, like his USD, BTC, and BCH holdings are roughly equal. And they probably attribute to around, I would say maybe a fifth of his holdings each, and ZEC and Doge make up the last fifth. Since then, the prices of these coins have fluctuated substantially, in line with the massive amounts of volatility in the market. At its peak in 2018, Vitalik's cryptocurrency portfolio was worth well over $500 million. But right now, obviously, it's not. Today, Vitalik Buterin's cryptocurrency portfolio amounts to roughly 82 million. And with the addition of USD, he's probably around 100 million in terms of net worth. So he also has equity holdings, so he's worth well over He's well worth around $100 million. They estimate his net worth up to $94 million. It was over $500 million at the time. So that's how much Vitalik is actually worth. So let's again, $82 million in cryptocurrency, a salary of somewhere between $140,000 and $250,000. And he also has cash holdings worth about $12 million. And he has equity in two multi-million-dollar startups. That is Vitalik's wealth, estimated at around over $94 million, probably around $100 million net worth right now. That's how rich Vitalik actually is. All right, that is the analysis. Hope you enjoyed this episode. I know it doesn't have much to do with your own holdings, unless Vitalik decides to sell out, which would devastate you, by the ways. But just something fun, a good bit of knowledge to know. So thanks for joining me, and have a nice day, people.